Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Wednesday, Abby?
Yes.
Yes. One day to Salah.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So if you're there for this part of the country, the Muslim celebration tomorrow and next tomorrow, depending on the state where you did. But for inside the city of Lagos, where we will day tomorrow and next tomorrow. So public holiday for tomorrow and next.
Yes.
That's a very good thing.
All man go just chill for this particular period. Yeah, same way they feel, man. I mean, they enter the mode.
You don't move into the mood. I mean, I wear wig. You understand? Make a for no carry down my hair. Enter inside the.
Your chuku.
Make a don't carry the hair. Enter inside the level.
But no, me no. Tomorrow, if you see come out and
I still be come out and
you can surprise anybody.
Nothing spoil. You understand? It's a natural song. I tell you, whether hair or no hair, it's a fine girl. You understand this thing?
Yeah, once a fine girl, always a fine girl.
There's really no two saying to it. Anyway, with this story, so we start late. We had some small bit of technical issues. I don't even call you online. I don't even call you online. There was small technical something. But we are here now on a black P.
Yes. So enter black mode.
Yeah.
You understand? With black face and
face.
Black magic.
All right, once again, officially welcome to Paddy Paddy. Yeah, so we could just enter one small break now, and then when we show back, of course, as usual, we'll give you the gist where we carry come meeting now today. No, if you come out,
sorry.
If you come out,
just go shit.
Now life in you hook me up, don't try yourself.
You come out with your rehab.
My head go just fly come out. You go just say for you.
Just here the breaky.
All right, let's go. Thank you. Thank you. All right, real quick. Now, Ogbolo.
Not be what you first do.
You go like gossip.
Wait till happen.
You go like gossip.
Well, I get one friend who said, if she never touch you like this, he gossip never start. He said,
come.
You don't hear say, Ada, you must do it.
All right, now, this particular gist, I don't know how to feel about him, but as a professional that I am, I'm not going to put my feelings inside it. I'm just going to give you the gist. Now, I don't know why some people know like children, but especially if you come off outside country, you go see, say, people, they will know like children. So I'm going to tell you, I don't want kids. I don't like them. I can't handle kids. Now, one particular nursery, them banned them from letting the pikin they come out outside come play. Like this crèche, they call them crèche. Come over there and like nursery, then they call them. Then they cater for like 22 children. So then talk say they don't ban them because for the place where then get one thing will be like small space for outside where the children they work out, they play. The children there, they're like 2 years old, 3 years old, and 4 years old. So nobody say then they play with some big things or some that they scatter things or break window because the neighborhood where then now the people where the neighbors now then go report. Say then they disturb, say the noise, the children are too noisy. Say make them ban the children from coming outside to play. Now, the thing we can't do me say, when investigators say make them no come out, investigators say make them no come out, depending when they go investigate the allegation where they can't put against them. But when they go, they say these children are 2 years old, 3 years old, 4 years old. They know they too make trouble. The only thing they do now, just they laugh, they play, they waka around the place. Now, make I can't shock you. The children, then they come out 1 hour for inside morning, and then it not even reach 1.5 hours for inside afternoon. That's all.
So what's it come with the people their problem now?
That's all. Now one particular man for inside there, the man come out. That one at the one of the inspector self, we can't inspect the place where the reports give. The man said, now 45-year-old, the name now Christopher Dennis. He said, what kind of person complains about giggling of children? Is the best sound in the world.
If he be bad belly, if he maybe not bad belly.
The owner of the place contact say, we don't feel blame them. Some people just they naturally grumpy. Some people just like wala. So no worry. But now the inspector don't check and see say no reason to ban this thing.
Children.
These children are not causing any harm in any way.
Now bad belly. When some people don't they maybe they don't find say and they never see their own blessing. They can't invest for that people's blessing.
It's just funny.
It can be, you understand? Some people don't really know how wicked they be until the thing when they pray for, you not see them. Because that person they cruise it in.
You can't know the funny thing. They say that particular crèche, that particular nursery, as we they talk now, that nursery, they don't collect them as one of the most outstanding nursery where they take care of children. They don't give them awards a couple of times. In fact, everybody they talk say, they find where I go carry my children, they go just point.
Bam.
Carry them, go there. They are too much.
Na bad belly. You don't show na bad belly. They don't call it award to join their crèching thing.
Yes.
Na bad belly. Na bad belly. When you live and say, some people don't get happy for your progress for life. Na natural thing. The earlier you get used to it, the better for you. You know you get headache at all. Right? So, now, for my own gist, this one a testimony.
Am I giving my testimony?
Where I have a chemistry, you understand, that is next to none. You get me now?
Oh, Lord.
It's a chemistry that just
I don't know that everything you want to sing.
Okay, this man went for coma for 12 years.
Oh, wow.
Martin Pistorius, not be Oscar Pistorius. So
Martin Pistorius.
Martin Pistorius.
This one leg complete.
This one leg complete. But only say something be doing. For age of 12, now he don't do okay. Now 39 years old now, he don't be now. But he going to tell us what happened for his life when he be 12 years old. He enter one kind of coma. Coma now he say he be like, oh, don't die, but he never die. You get so coma, you could just they half dead, one kind. So in there for this coma from age of 12, and for the next 12 years, he remained for that coma. No, he can't wake up from the coma. But they can't they used to seeing Martin like this. Even when he can't wake, open his eye, but in body no can't move.
Oh.
All part of his senses no agree
respond.
No agree respond. So they don't even know say he don't even there awake.
Oh.
So you consider that same position, that same spot. His mama say one day she look and get where the walla done for years, 12 years. Well, get where the walla hook am for children. You might all look the picking say, I just hope say one day you could not die. You know where don't reach the mama reach, where she will look the
this
picking
kind,
say.
she dey feel, not be say she wish her, but she dey feel the pain of
the
the boy.
You understand? Because now they in they move on for there, and for there they clean him body, they bath am, and for there they poo. Now there they do everything. Now from there, 12 years. Now later, he can't the response small. Doctors don't come even talk to me, they even ready say he go die you. But as I follow you, they talk now. 39 years old, 9 don't become now, and in don't come out for that whole
coma state.
Even when they come out for the coma state, to show you people come today used to him being in coma. They don't even recognize saying don't come out for the coma state. But last now, he don't recover finish.
Oh.
He don't even put book down to tell people about his story and how he escaped from life where they locked inside his own body. The guy go take get body, but your life no good day. So you're gonna tell people now, say, man, forget to say this life now, say, you're not going to find out, say, your self-will, your determination to just live.
It lead you through many things.
Through many things. You understand? See, somehow, some kind of things will happen to you for life, but you need to just judge and say nothing. Nothing, not go weigh me down.
You know, say this thing go bring me back. We can bring them back to something a lot more subtle. You know, say if somebody insults you, say you know if you make them.
Yes.
The day where you make up your mind to prove that person wrong, say listen, I go make them. From that very moment, and you walk towards them, you mean them. From that very moment, the sky na your limit. You know, just determination.
Like one of my other bros go talk that year, one of my mentors go talk say one of the best gifts where anybody feel give himself or feel give person. Na change in direction.
Na so.
If you don't work out, they go like this before, and this road no dey pure. Another road, the people they tell you say, oh, this particular road, you
don't land. You go die there.
You go die.
Now for your time.
Once just change lane.
That's the end.
Boom, you don't start new waka. But now one of the best things you feel do for yourself to reformat your head, change your thinking. If they tell you say you no go make them, can't give yourself reason to prove people wrong. Say you go make them.
After all, they talk say the difference between success and failure. Now to stand up and do them.
Bam. So
whatever it is you want to do, just do it.
Not be to the dream. Some people get the dream and say, wow, I go do this thing. Now they go day. 12 years go past.
You still dey wow.
I go do this thing. I go do it. Now they go tell you, if you go better ground, many dreams they will not come to pass. Many big dreams, goals, many ideas die, natural deaths, because of waiting. The junction between imagination and realization is action. You understand? It's what? Action. That be the junction between imagination and execution.
Fantastic. So this guy, the junction between his survivor and death, na determination.
Yeah, exactly. All right.
You understand this thing? What? Councillorship. See, we be presenters.
Presenter.
We be musicians. We be councillorship.
Councillorship. Which one remain again?
What we know they do?
Brand ambassador very soon.
Don't worry.
We go to brand ambassador. Go show for billboard everywhere.
Watch me whip.
Watch me
whip. Watch me.
We're gonna sing. Yeah, give me your testimony.
There now. This thing now determination, action.
Yes.
Now the action we do.
I talk our own now. It go soon happen.
Don't watch and see.
Some of you go break.
Let's go. We know they talk another yandi yano.
No, we don't talk another.
We don't talk another yandi
yano.
Over. Oh my God, this is so adorable. Wow. Hey.
You should not be old man for picking body be that.
I tell you this thing.
No, not picking get excuse again. No.
My pikin must no book.
Oh, if I born.
My pikin must no book.
Anywhere where the mama dey now, just in case, now you born my pikin for future. Oh.
Ogola mommy baby.
Tell your own too. Okay, now you go born the pikin self.
Hey.
See, your pikin, if you not sabi. Oh no.
Hey.
The pikin, you see as he happy when you see the orange own for the last.
He was so happy.
The circle own, you see carry one circle for hand. Tell me, I'm picking about the
even when they carry the wrong one, she look. Okay, this one will be the orange and I shoot dash.
Mama can say, okay, that's not orange. Waiting down, you can say, oh, chada.
Shoot dash.
No. You see the difference between some Oyibo picking and some one way we know.
I know they move to talk yandi again. This thing don't up my game.
Oh no.
It don't up my game. I know. No worry, no need. I know yandi
if I see any small picking, come meet me. Say, brother, but I beg out. If I knock you one, give you correct No. Well, cause pimples for your head.
No.
Not picking get excuse again. Whether I never they talk, you must sabi go message. If you never they talk, you go sabi spell. If you never they talk, you go sabi do 2 times 2. You go sabi do 10 times 10. 6 more picking. That's a baby.
That's a child.
A child.
My God, a kid.
A kid, an issue.
An offspring.
Oh, Lord God, dagger. When we see laugh, the laugh, please. This thing shock me.
It's okay.
Because even some adults don't fit talk that thing.
Yes.
Some adults.
I hear people raise some objurgation and some animadversion as to what they think is the slow pace of President Muhammadu Buhari. Whereas I share their tenterhooks, but let me hasten to say that when they raise this criticism, they are not mindful of the fact that President Muhammadu Buhari came on board against the backdrop of 12 years of political holocaust, that they came on board against the backdrop of 12 years of political Philistinism, economic. Like I was saying, people forget that when President Muhammadu Buhari came on board, this country was deposited in a cul-de-sac of economic quagmire, political phantasmagoria, and social Caligulagowi. So it's going to take a month of Sundays to cleanse the organs tables. So my appeal to Nigerians is for them to exercise some little patience. I am very convinced that in Buhari, at the end of the day, Nigerians will be happy that they have found a political palladium and an economic palisade. Softly, the Chinese say, catch a monkey, jete, make a journey. I'm supremely confident that President Muhammadu Buhari has all what it takes to navigate the ship of state out of eschewable cataracts, icebergs, and oxbow-necks. It's just a matter of a committee has been inaugurated.
Hey, Ricardo!
I don't have
a political prugudunenglish.
No worry yourself.
Oh, no.
Ma, just stay here.
Oh, Jaga.
I dey fear.
I'll take the bullet.
Hey.
A political Nikki Douglas of the Kankankan Philistines. Who don't talk again? I don't remember one.
You know, say all these things when they
talk. When
he did dictionary word.
He did dictionary now.
Yes.
And all this one, say, all this one simply means say Buhari they try. As more time, he go soon do more work.
Yes, it means say the country day in a state of yaga before he show. You understand? They do more work. Like a week.
Tell them his name again.
Patrick Opaya.
Benuson.
You will not be entering trouble. Benuson. You wanted to put you in Benuson. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow us for Instagram at MyOneLand. Follow Ogbolo at Ogbolo. Follow the station at Wazobia TV.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.